Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. This is Laura and today I'd love to show you how to make step by step these beautiful resin earrings. This time I'm using ultraviolet resin, which is very cheap and easy to use, some brass wire and beautiful crystal beads. I wanted something really shiny, so I put some glitter on it, but this is optional. You can make it as you want, you can add some color, whatever you like the most. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to still beautiful, smile and be very happy.